Some boy better rock it. Some boy better rock it. Some boy better rock it. Some boy better rock it.
Hello guys, it's Martin over here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And we have a nice show for you guys today. So where I've been staying today, apparently they have a lot of food and they can survive here for like years without like buying pretty much like vegetables and stuff, and all within the compound. And we're about to show you everything one by one, okay? And that's the master chef right there, and that's the big bro. No, the little bro is my little brother, and he's the neighbor, and that's the little bro too. My niece, Masi. That kid, she's so happy always. So guys, we're going to start by showing you something. So I don't know what we're starting with. So he's in charge of this video today.
Yeah.
And everybody else going to help him around.
Yeah.
So yeah, chef, show us what's good.
This is what we call nakati.
Nakati.
Yeah.
And
You can fry it. If you want to fry it, you will fry it
okay.
using cooking oil, onion, tomato, all you can use.
Nice.
Yeah. Come on.
So you eat it with posho, with fufu?
Yeah.
Nice. It's good with posho. That's how it looks like. You guys want to see it.
Yeah.
Let's look at
But
it.
this is the leaves of the guana.
Oh, cassava leaves.
Yeah.
Guana leaves.
Cassava leaves. Guana leaves.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, let's find cassava here.
Cassava.
Cassava tree. There's one right back there.
It's here.
Let's walk back. Oh, they're here.
One
This cassava.
This cassava.
Yeah. They actually eat the leaves too.
Yeah. The roots is this side.
And they eat the roots also.
No.
No, not the
Yeah.
roots. Like what do you call it? Like the cassava, the actual cassava.
Yeah.
Yeah, they eat it. And yeah, these
And
things are
this-
delicious, bro.
This one also they eat too. Yeah.
Look
This
at this
you eat
one.
like a sauce.
Wow, that is nice. What do you call it in Acholi?
Pot guana.
Pot guana.
Yeah.
Nice. It's so delicious with posho too.
Yeah.
And fufu. Fufu is posho, the same thing. Fufu. A lot of people know it as fufu and posho.
Gidok any minute. Go what any.
One over. Madina tikuja.
Yeah.
What is this one?
This the leaf of the
Loran yurikang. Okay. What is it?
the okra.
Okra. Okay.
Yeah. Also you cook it.
You eat the leaves too?
Yeah.
Okra leaves.
Yeah.
No way. Is there okra over here? I believe everybody knows what okra is. That's the international language, like name for it. The okra leaves. It's slimy too. It's very slimy.
Look at this man's how it grow.
This maize
So
is
big.
too tall. Very tall. Look at that. Hey,
Yeah.
I have to take this, eh? I have to go with the maize, yeah. Pig in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What matter?
Okay, we continue. Yeah. Hey, this one is bent, but still not dead. Still alive. That is nice. Not dead. Eating on it.
Yado.
Oh, yado.
Yadis.
The yadis. The yadis. I don't know even
yado.
English. Here, let me show it to them real quick so they know. Like, here, let me show the whole thing.
Okay, come and show them.
Yes. So it's the whole tree,
Yeah.
the whole branch. Wow. Oyado. Oyado. I don't even know it in English. Yeah, you fry it. Do you make stew with this, like soup? Soup
No.
with it, or just fry it?
Fry. Yeah. Just you fry it.
Nice.
And this also.
That's what do you call it? Yeah, pumpkin leaves. Yeah,
Yeah.
pumpkin leaves is actually delicious. I love pumpkin leaves.
Yeah.
I ate some.
This
Today
how
we're
it-
eating it. Today we're having pumpkin leaves.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah. Let's continue.
Hey, guys.
The fact
The weather is a bit like shady. Look, it's so cloudy. I hope the rain doesn't catch us here.
this is how we support our banana.
You already know.
Yeah. Put a big stick. Wow, this thing is covering it. Have a look.
Nice.
The way it's
Oh, I
covered.
love
If
my
one
toke.
fall down, then you cover.
Nice. I love my toke. That is nice.
Wow, this also like a sauce. The leaves.
They actually, what do you call this again? Yam, yeah.
Yeah.
They eat the leaves. I never knew they eat the leaves of
You
yam.
eat the leaf. You remove it like this. Then
Oh,
this
wow.
one you cut them.
Mm.
Yeah.
So you eat the leaves and the actual yam down
Then
there.
you just fry it.
Wow.
You fry this.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yams are nice, and you can actually have make fufu yams.
Yeah.
Like flowers, turn into flour, and then you can eat it
Yeah.
like fufu, posho. That is nice.
Ah, yeah. Let's come and see
There's
the sauce.
more here. What is this tree? Is this avocado?
No,
What is this? This
jackfruit. Jackfruit.
jackfruit. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
there's a
jackfruit.
bigger tree there, so I will show you to you guys when you get there. There's avocado back there. Where? But this.
Sugar cane.
Yeah.
Black sugar cane also.
The sugar cane over here.
Yeah, the sugar cane.
Yeah, and a bigger cassava here too. Big tree. These are all cassava, and we have sugar cane here.
This where I will pour.
Yeah. They pour garbage here and then they burn it. Yeah, guys, I worked on this too when I came here, so I helped out dig this. And me and him, he started it. I came, and then he came.
I finished.
You didn't finish it. Me and him finished it. Yeah, you were slacking. You were
Okay.
sleeping. And this avocado, so we burned it yesterday.
When you were burning the
Yeah.
lumkan.
Yeah, when it was burning the rubbish, the lumkanye.
So the fire
Yeah,
made a balance.
if I burn it. Mhm. And this banana here is still coming out, like producing, like the.
If it come like this, then we support it.
Oh, like this
Yeah,
stick. Yeah.
like the way you saw that
Yeah.
is there.
If you guys can see that stick right there,
And
The
this
side.
is the sauce too.
that's the sauce.
Yeah.
Guys, we have so many food I lost even count.
This is sauce too. This is what we call ochuga.
Ochuga.
Yeah, this is what we call ochuga.
Wow.
Yeah, it's so nice.
I don't know even the name in English. Maybe you guys can maybe you guys can look at it and research it, take a picture of it. And yeah, this is how it looks. Ochuga. I'm not good with my vegetables, yo. With my greens, no. See, this top chef here, man. He's the #1 chef. Cook some good food. Okay, matoke. What is this?
Remember again.
Mimero. Fertilizer. Yes, jackfruit, right? Yeah, this is all jackfruit.
The big jackfruit.
Let's see if we can find like a big one. This right there on Kuja Wachane. Very far.
Aya, come on.
What am I quick? Oh.
This
Yes,
is the
this
mango
Abonga.
growing.
Abonga is the one that planted this. He's the one that planted it. But he never got the chance to eat it. He didn't eat it yet.
Me, I planted this mango.
And yeah, this is a mango tree, baby
Yeah.
mango. He
It's
planted it.
almost to grow.
Almost? I have another couple years. Oh yeah, see, this is what he planted. Pecan. So yeah, see what he planted? Yeah, we got 2 tomato here. He's leaving soon, so I don't know if he's going to Juba, so I don't know if we'll have the time to eat it. Maybe when he come back next year, but they will enjoy it.
Get it.
They'll finish it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dead. What else? Oh, there's a mango is growing here. You know, guys, something I noticed. Like every time people eat mango, they throw the seeds away. So I believe somebody threw this, and then the seed germinated and grew. Even this one.
Okay, we have.
Oh, this is another mango tree. Yeah. Watch out! Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Yeah. See?
I pick it from here, so I chop it.
Yeah, chop it. Fresh. Look at that. Woo. Fresh
Okay,
mango,
come on,
bro.
guys, I'll show you more.
Guys, there's so many fruits. So,
We have more there.
mango. The camera guy is falling. Look at that. Fresh mango. Almost getting ready. Yes, there's so many food. Oh,
Look at it.
wow, we got a nice one. Ooh, life is good here, bro. Mango. Here in Uganda, bro, Africa, we have it all, man. We have a lot. Ooh, guys, it's raining a little bit, so look at that, all fresh.
Okay.
Now this
It's all
here, this
fresh.
for you guys that watching, you know, you guys can eat this. Okay, I'll keep it for you. Just subscribe and you have one. And when you pili pili.
Yeah.
This is hot sauce, guys. Hot pepper.
Hot pepper.
Yeah, guys, it's raining. I don't know if we can finish everything, so I dare you to eat it. Eat it, eat it.
Okay, okay.
This guy will cry. No, you start talking funny. This guy will start talking funny. He's lying. Eh? Ngani? Oh, Degmo. Anyone, what is this?
Matona.
Oh, this passion fruit. It's growing. It's still small. Wow. Call it matunda, passion fruit. Korochaga, the rain of chaga.
We have so many sauce. This is what we call.
This is the okra.
Yeah, this is the lura.
Lura, yeah. Lura, but it's called okra, yeah. We call it lura. And the
Yeah.
leaves you eat it too.
No.
No.
Yeah. So.
So we cannot go in there
This
because
mango is too sweet. I can't leave it.
Yeah, you have to eat it, bro. I have to start on mine too.
You said it's theirs, not yours.
Sorry, I'll bring you yours next time. Or come to Africa, you'll get one. Louis. There's more
Come, I
fruit.
show you dodo.
Tomato.
Dodo. Come, I show you dodo.
We're doing this video in the rain, guys. That's for you.
Because we love you guys more.
Dodo.
This is what we call dodo. Want you to come in Africa and you look it. Yeah.
It's all food, guys. This is what people eat. We'll eat this here.
It's too many because we cannot finish.
We cannot finish. We can
Yeah.
keep going all the way down there.
Too many.
Yeah, there's also medicine here. Yeah, gini beneti kane dawa.
Yes.
You can marinate, you can cook it. Yeah. Can you just pick a fresh mango? Ooh, it's raining. They caught. Look at all that mango. Ooh, hey chef, you have anything else? Give me kind.
I said it's too much. I can't finish.
It's too much. It's raining right now. And
Ephraim could not
this is
be there.
tea.
Yeah.
Chai. This tea leaves, yeah. So this smells so fresh.
You can smell it from there.
Oh, it smells so fresh. It's so nice. You take like that and then you put in it. I love it, ding more. This guy's so stubborn.
Meat more.
So min more. What you tell her?
We have also
Filipino.
the
What do you call this? This also okeo.
okay.
Okeo is
And
also
this is
food.
source of our medicine. The roots.
There's also medicine. You take it.
Yeah.
If you have a stomach ache or
Yeah.
diarrhea,
You just take the roots. Then
you grind it and then you drink it.
yeah.
Now, do you have to boil it?
No,
No.
not to boil it.
You
This
just
is another
eat it.
sauce. I know you guys know
What do you
this.
call this?
This is guinyiri.
Guinyeri.
Yeah.
Guinyeri. And guinyeri, guys. This is guinyeri.
Guinyiri.
See, it's guinyering.
Guinyiri.
What do you cook it with?
You cook with the also odi.
Odi?
Odi.
With peanut butter.
After boiling, then you put also odi.
Guys, we're doing this video on the rain for you guys, okay? So leave a like, a comment, okay? It will really mean a lot. Yeah, the chef here is doing a lot of work, you know, explaining this.
Yeah.
And this is supporter right here, yeah. We can't leave him behind. You know, so yeah, that's another mango tree right there. And papaya. Papaya, yeah. Did you say they eat the leaves?
No.
Or the what do they eat?
This is the female one.
Yeah, the female, yeah.
Yeah.
So he produced the papaya.
Yeah. And this is the male one.
Mm-hmm.
They don't eat it.
They don't eat they don't eat male.
The papaya.
It doesn't produce papaya.
This is what?
The roots?
This is the medicine also.
Oh, so yeah, the roots
Yeah.
are medicine. What does it cure? What is it for? Okay.
Yellow fever.
So if you have yellow fever or malaria, no,
Malaria when konyo.
Malaria, it helps with malaria
Typhoid.
too. Typhoid also, it helps.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, this is nice. I also saw
You
there's
know.
another medicine here. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't remember what did you call this in English. I don't know. But in Pitu, don't break it. Ah, it's too much. So now you have to eat it. Make it calm down.
No.
Yeah, you're sick, so you need to have some.
Anyone here?
I don't know the
Aloe
cactus.
vera.
Cactus.
Aloe vera. This is
Aloe vera?
what we call aloe vera.
In Acholi.
No.
In actually, chop.
Chop.
This is what we call chop
Okay,
in
aloe
Acholi.
vera or yeah.
Or chop.
Not
you can
cactus.
call.
I'm not sure. Yeah, it's maybe aloe vera. Is that passion fruit? No, it's not
No,
passion
it's
fruit.
not.
No, this is another mango. See, guys, like I said, when we eat mango here, so like if I finish this mango, right? Let me finish it.
After some days.
See the way he throw it? I don't want to throw mine, but he throw his there. But let me finish. There's more, bro.
Aye.
See that? Now there will be 2 mangoes there, germinating. Oh, he threw his too, so there'll be 3 mangoes there. And more banana,
The name is Matoke.
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 Yeah, in Acholi and in Swahili, in Luganda. That's yeah. This is a perfect shade. There's no rain under the mango tree here. Oh well, there's a little bit dripping, a little bit. Where's our chef?
Abraham.
Awobi?
Onen.
Onen, where did he go?
Onen.
Yes, Kanu.
The guy's coming.
Yeah. There he is, Mr. Onen.
Yes.
Why do you tell the people, bro? If you can leave some, leave them with 1 or 2 words, anything,
Have nothing to say.
Yeah.
I have nothing to tell you guys.
Do you think it's important to have foods like plants like this around your house?
Yes, it's okay.
It's good to survive, eh? Very good for survival.
Like the yado.
Mm-hmm.
If you
If you boil it,
yeah, if you boil it,
yeah.
then you squeeze it. You squeeze it, then you put it at the sunset.
Mm-hmm.
After putting it, you put it inside. If the rain is coming, there's no any budget, then you pick it.
You
will
cook
not
it.
have any problem.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's good for survival, man. If the world there's a food crisis, there's no food allowed in the market. Well,
No, when
the
the rain
family
is
here will
raining
survive.
like this, if the rain is raining like this, so you cannot go and buy
In
things.
the morning.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You have
So
started
you
in the
can
morning.
cook.
Mm-hmm. You just go out in the
Yeah,
backyard.
you have a way of
And
surviving.
pick, yeah. Like today, our mom actually went out to the garden and picked some food that we're eating today. We're eating, what was it again? What was it?
No.
Oyado? Not oyado. We're eating
Ajao.
Ajao.
ajao. We're eating ajao and pumpkin leaves, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and pumpkin leaves.
That one is the name.
They're so sweet, bro. I'm looking forward to eat it. Wulu, we just had a nice lightning. So yeah, guys, this everything. This lightning. Yeah, you can hear that. It's getting very rainy. Wow. So let's say bye. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you very much for watching.
Come back to Africa.
Yes, come back to Africa. And if this is your first time watching, please subscribe. It will really mean a lot to me and everybody here. Say bye. Bye, YouTube. See ya.